We got a mini log cabin coming together with the many dead trees and neighbors graciously allowing us to take what is dead and fallen off of their property. I have got one shelter pretty much walled in, and we'll do plywood as the ceiling. So not too shabby. Whew. All right, second shelter is walled up. Same thing here. We'll obviously do a layer of fencing just to make sure whatever can get in isn't going to be big enough to kill the chickens, because all the animals are going to rotate using these pens. So it's coming together. 2 down, 1 to go. All right, so we're pretty close to being done, at least with this shelter. All I need is a partial sheet to cover this backside to keep the rain out. And then a few pieces to block that front off. Got some pallets to use as doors. Right now they're just lashed, just tied. I haven't decided on a secure way yet. I'll probably get another log and place that there, dig a post hole, get it all secure. And same with the second one. Another door. Here's the inside. Not too shabby. Step in, come around to the other side. Not too bad. Also, getting framed out are our new grow out tractors for the rabbits. Considering we do most of our breeding and growing out between early spring and late fall, rather than building a bunch of new hutches, we're just going to build a couple of tractors, and this will make cleanup and getting in to grab them much easier. And what's nice is this top isn't nailed or anything, but it fits snugly. I might do some hook and eyes just to make sure curious critters don't try to pop it open. So, but this too needs a layer of fencing and we're good to go. I love pallets. It would be easier to build tractors. So we've got the bottom, I don't know if you could tell, but the bottom is lined with chicken wire, just like the door. Oh, windy. And then we've got all the sides wired off. And this top it fits snugly, but it'll come off for easy access when it comes time to butcher. So not too bad. And close that up. And then just some baling twine to keep them closed. Not too bad for free. Okay, so since the chicks have been learning to fly, I've been blocking this front off with just like random stuff. And one of those things is a tote. Well, one of the other chickens got curious. Let's see if I can do this in the shot. And jumped up inside. Oh, it's Elvis. Hi. Are you embarrassed yet? Huh? It's alright, walk it off. You're still the king. Yep, I'm about 40 minutes in, and I'm maybe halfway, let's see, maybe halfway there. That trees right there is my end mark. But this fucker is heavy. I need to work on my upper body strength. I was hoping leverage would play in my favor, but not too much. But I'm halfway there, so let's. The key to this fencing is just like any other workout, exercise. When you go to move that big ass roll, you do it on the exhale. Well, that is it for today. I am definitely going to rope in the husband to help me with the rest of this fencing. But I am pooped. It is humid and 80 something degrees. Thursday's calling for 90 something, so I really am hoping to get most of this done before then. Until next time.